Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: Android Studio, SDK, and Target API. Create a new app module and choose Kotlin or Java. You need a working activity. Once done, add dependencies and build. Gradle for the approach you chose. Room for local SQL, retrofit/OK HTTP for REST, or Firebase libraries for cloud. You do this now to let the IDE sync. Make sure to enable Kotlin capped for annotation processing when using Room so generated code builds without errors. You implement the data layer by defining models and contracts. For Room, annotate it entity classes and create it DAO interfaces. Compile to generate database classes. If remote, define retrofit interfaces and data mappers. Next, build a repository that chooses between local cache and network, so you separate concerns. Once done, expose data through ViewModel using live data or flow so UI observes changes safely. Make sure to run database operations off the main thread with coroutines or executors. You wire the UI by injecting the ViewModel and observing its state. Update recycler view adapters on change. Then implement write operations with proper transactions and test CRUD flows across configuration changes. For Room, provide a migration strategy before releasing schema changes. For remote, add retry and error handling. Finally, run the app on device and watch Logcat for exceptions. If it fails, inspect Gradle sync. Ensure annotation processing ran, and enable verbose logs to trace missing classes or runtime crashes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.